Part 2 of me unboxing my squishies. I'm going to put you guys right there. I'm going to put you guys right here. You guys can't see. You guys should see. Yeah, I have all of these here. Cute little cheese. I'm gonna put these emojis. Sorry guys. Now I'm gonna put some soap in because they look pretty dirty. Now I'm gonna wash them. Washing. This one's so cool. I'm going to fill this one up with soap. This, guys, is so cool. You guys should see them. They are so cool. Now, I'm going to drain the water. They still look pretty soapy. Now while we wait for all the still soapy, so I'm gonna get some water and put them in there for a while. Don't mind what that is, guys. I don't think you guys know, but I have my sink makes this kind of noise when we're putting the like what's it called? Soap is there. So I'm gonna wait for all the soap stuff like that to go out. So then I can. You guys should see the colour of the water. It's like a yellowish brownish. Yeah, those were dirty. I don't know why they are so dirty when I just bought them. Like, bro. Oh my god. I'm going to wash them up one by one. I'm going to put them here. So they're nice. We'll do all the pinks first. Now we're going to do yellows / orange. No, that one just fell on the ground. Oh no! I'm gonna rinse this one again. There we go, that's better. Now last one. There we go. Done. Now I'm going to do the greenish / aqua teal. I don't know. Or turquoise. I don't know. And green. now I'm going to do baby blue / dark blue. Only dark blue. Now I'm going to do whites. Now, that one. Little ghost, I think. Little bunny. Another bunny. Little lazy cat. Little monster thingy. Oh wait, no, not that one. Little panda. Little seal and purple now. But only purple. Is going to be this little one. Now I'm going to fold them up and give them a nice dry towel. I'm going to dry them up. Now I'm going to sorry guys. Now I'm gonna unopen it, and they should be all nice, just like they were when they came. Now I'm gonna grab the bucket and put them one by one inside. What's your guys' favorite color? Mine's blue / teal, aqua, all kinds of blues, stuff like that, and greens, and white, and black, and space colours. Those are my favourite colours. Goodbye. Goodbye, my favourite, one of my favourites, little paws. Goodbye. 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 Now that's the end of unboxing my stuff.